To begin the update process, open your web browser and visit our official website at autogem.co.uk. Hover your mouse pointer over the technology menu on the website. From the drop-down, select TPMS and then click on iSensor Tool Update. On the iSensor Tool Update page, find and click on the provided link to download the updater software. Choose where you want to save the file and click Save. Click on the Download button to acquire the latest update. Select a destination to save the file and click Save. Wait until both files have finished downloading. Unzip both files by right-clicking on each and selecting Extract All or Extract To, depending on the unzip software installed on your PC. Click Extract to complete this process for both files. Now, open the folder where you saved the updater software and locate the setup file. Click Next and accept the terms of the license agreement. Click Next again and then Install. Click Finish once it's complete. You should now see the Update Platform software icon on your desktop. Open it and click on Load Update File. Load the software with the unzipped update file that you downloaded from the Autogem website. Let's start with the iSensor tool. Turn on the tool and wait for the main screen. Connect the iSensor tool to your computer using the provided USB cable. The software will automatically detect your tool. Click on Program to initiate the updating process. The update typically takes about 20 minutes. Perhaps enjoy a cup of tea in the meantime. When you see the green circle next to the message, Update OK, it means the process is finished. You can close the window. Disconnect the iSensor tool from your computer and turn it off. With the software loaded with the latest update file, connect your OBD device to your computer using the same USB cable used for the iSensor tool. The connection is detected automatically, and you can click on the Program button. The updating process usually takes about 1 minute. When you see the message Update OK, it signifies completion. Close the window. Disconnect the OBD device from your computer and close the updater software. Now, your iSensor tool and its OBD device are updated and ready to use.